This 1996 Caterpillar 3412 diesel generator set is now available at Midwest Engines and Generators. It's rated at 500 kilowatts standby and is powered by a 3412 diesel engine with only 252 original hours. The unit features a digital EMCP II control panel, 277 480 volt 3-phase output, a factory 800 amp mains circuit breaker, and an open skid engine-driven radiator configuration. This generator has been inspected, load tested, and is ready for deployment. For more information, contact our sales manager, Kyle Naomi, at 337-230-9630 or at kyle@midwest-generators.com.